Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore ICICI Direct trading account, Demat account, and this Breeze Connect for the API connection trading via Python. Okay, so is this the website which you see? So I have utilized the URL. Okay, so if you go through my videos, I have been already suggested how you can generate the access token, how you can generate the session. So this is an important step while trading in account, Indian trading account, that is dealing with the broker, Indian broker for stock market. You need to have sessions, especially, and you need to log in using any kind of a browser, and from that you need to generate a token, and that token needs to generate a session or an access token which can be utilized for 24 hours. Okay, so this is the URL I have hit here. So after hitting that URL, what happens, I got this session token, so which I can utilize for generator of session, and that session can be utilized further for my trading, accessing data. Okay, so all of the stuff I can do. So if you just go with the ICICI Direct, okay, you can open the account. Okay, I'll try to provide you the link. As of right now, I don't have any link. So if you're looking for any kind of a link, you can contact me direct by WhatsApp. So what happen? You just open an account and do all the authentication. So now what happens if you have a bank? Okay, if you already have account with ICICI. So what you can do, you can open an account. They are already given the main menu to go with ICICI Direct. So you can choose this stuff. So after opening this account, clearing each and everything, go with once manual trading. Okay, don't directly go with the API. Just trade once and see that your positions get into demat holdings. So that is an important step, okay? Because say suppose if you opened and you traded, and if you won't see your holdings in the demat holdings, so it will be a problem because there is a differences will be there. Okay, so if initially you start, you may face issues. Okay, so that need to be considered. So at least if you get with, like, go with at least 1,000 rupees, make sure that everything is working, you got your demat holdings, and you can square up your positions easily. So do all the necessary stuff, and if you are facing any kind of issues, I'm ready to help, and I'm ready to eradicate all those things with the help of ICICI Direct. Okay, so you can utilize. And now what happens is, suppose you can get into this. So all you have to do is you have to ask the Google ICICI Direct API. So it will get you an URL which is api.icicidirect.com. So it is very much simple. So if you click on this one, what happens? It will get you to open in means login. So you just logged in. Now this is my account. So what happens? You first have to register an app. Okay, so I have already created an app. So what are the things are required? You have to give a name. You have to give a primary IP. Okay, and you will receive an API key and all of the stuff. So which you can utilize for your trading purposes. So API key will be there, secret key will be there, okay, and a redirect URL will be there. So you can say as a localhost, HTTPS is to forward slash, and you can say just as a localhost. So what happens? This URL doesn't matter. It just should come into your browser. Okay, so it can be any localhost. You just put the URL. You can utilize my website as well. So that will be HTTPS is to double slash www.profitadaweb.com. So any of things which you find material as a good, you can go with this thing. So if I try, what happens, it will definitely gonna give me an error as it's in a website. So it will do the same in local as well. You will get an error. Okay, Now the URL which I'm talking about. So first thing is you have to give an app name. So you can give anything VK, AK, whatever you want. Okay, you can say as a programmatic trading or algo trading, whichever you want. And after that, what happens? You just give the redirect URL, and after this you need to give primary IP address. So this IP address is necessary, so you need to understand as per CB regulations and the new framework the use of a static IP for April they have been started. Okay, so everybody utilizing this, so you can get from Google Cloud, AWS and Microsoft Azure. Okay, so I've done two parts, AWS and DigitalOcean, which you can check it out. So if you just have a $5 account with DigitalOcean, even you can get with the AWS. So that is you can do. So that fourth thing they have not mentioned, it is self-hosting. Okay, so many other things are there where you can get the static API and can route and can utilize the stuff. If you are getting, you can check the FAQ, and if you still have any doubt, you can visit my website. Now, static IP in the sense you are this special laptop communication with the internet with the help of dynamic IP, which changes. Now, static IP in the sense is my website. So if I just give this www.profitdataweb.com, I am landing in this particular website. So this is a static. So this is permanent. Okay. So same thing. It will be an URL. I mean, IP address will be there. So it consists of like this dot something 4 5 like that. Okay, so a dot will be there, and you will get that IP address. Just set in primary IP or whichever you are looking for as a secondary IP address. You can go. So if it fails this, maybe it can take this one. So primary IP address is important, and that should be static. Okay, so you can obtain these things by having your laptop. This particular laptop is kind of a self-hosted. Okay, so this particular IP address, if I give it to you, and if anything is running as a server, any kind of index.html, it will gonna reflect. You can check on internet. Okay, so it is available for the internet. So that is how it will be there. Okay, so if you just go do some research and work it out, okay, you can do. If you're looking for my help, self-hosting and getting static IP for that reason also, you can contact me. Okay, the only thing is you have to pay some of the service charge, and I can get you as on one time, and you can utilize for upcoming this. So you don't have to pay any kind of a charges to host hosting provider and all of the stuff. Okay, so see to that how you can utilize, and the WhatsApp link is below in the description. So if I just get this stuff and I have been utilized my ICICI Direct and registered an app. Now all you have to do is I can check with the documentation and I can go with the Breeze Python SDK. So documentation, if you are looking as of like the import request for your CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, delete, or get, post, put, patch, delete, whatever you want to do. So that will be utilized as a direct documentation you should check, or if you're doing through a postman or any of the C sharp, any of the other programming. Okay. Secondary C sharp they have been given, JS SDK, JavaScript they have been given, so you can utilize. I prefer Python SDK, so I'll just do it an easy way. So it might be helpful at starting, and then after what happens, you just get come with this stuff. Just go straight away. Just generate the sessions. Okay, help yourself, and then after you can move to the import request. Okay, so after this, I mean, especially what happens, the import request will help as an all-rounder, and this Breeze Connect, what happens if they have been given each and everything. If you are missing nothing, then it will be helpful, and I think they have been already given each and everything. If they miss out, then what you have to do, you have to go with the import request, then you have to follow the documentation. Okay, so if you follow my videos, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so Breeze Connect will be there, so all you have to do, pip install Breeze Connect. Okay, so you can go with the CMD if you are looking other than this uh, means other than your Jupyter notebook, you can go with the CMD and can go with the installation. If you follow Visual Studio Code, so there also you just go with the pip install Breeze Connect and everything will be get installed. Okay, so it is simple. Breeze dash Okay, connect. Okay, so it is simple, and I'll get you some of the similarities, so it will be very easy to set this up. Okay, so I think I already requirement already satisfied. So as you can see, okay, so I don't have to worry. Everything is working perfectly. Okay. Now what I can do, I just without looking at the code, I just straight away go with these things. So first of all, what I have to do is from breeze, okay, breeze underscore connect. Okay, what I have to do, import breeze connect. Okay, so this references you can get from the kite connect. So they have this same. So initially you just have to give some lowercase letters and import breeze connect. Okay, we can check once again that everything is going as per this one. So you can see that I just got with the pip install. You can upgrade, and if is any issues are there, you can uninstall and do the installation. So from this you can see I've been imported, and breeze connector there. So that's how I'm going for it. Okay, now next thing, since we are following this our documentation, so one thing is we have to go with the breeze. So there they have been mentioned as a breeze, and now what happens, you just have to say breeze connect. Okay, in this you have to give this API key. So what we can say, API underscore key equals API underscore key. Okay, so these are the things which you can go. Now one more thing which I have to do is get with this our this API key. So I have everything as in config. So I have given each and everything DBM. So in DBM, what happens if you want to open anything, you have to say DB equals DBM dot open. And since we have each and everything API key, API secret in config, so I'll have to say config and just read. Okay, so this you have to say. Now, if I have to get with API key, so I have to mention. So it is very much simple. I just did not utilize any kind of other variables. It's just a simple. You just have to say API key, and it will be DB of API underscore key, and you have to decode. So what happens here, the creation of the your database as in backup directory and data. So what happens, it will get kind of a directory to get you those things. So it will be safer side. Your API key and API secret will be stored. Okay, and if you want to generate this stuff, so instead of R, all you have to say C an API key. So DB of API key equals API key, whatever your API key is there in single comment. If you say this stuff, it will be easy to store all those things. Okay, so API key, and instead of API key, all you have to say API secret, and the name is same as in this as well as an API secret. Okay, so my work is done here. Now what I have to do is I have to generate a session. Okay, so I can follow this stuff. So if I'm generating the session, I can go with the direct as a breeze dot generate underscore session, and in this session what I have to give, I have to give an API secret. Okay, which will be of our API secret only, which we have already called. So I made it very much simple, and then you have to call your session token, which I have already shown you uh, what it contains. So if you just give it here in a single comment, it will be helpful. Okay, so where you have to give, you have to take it from here. So Control C and put it here. Now if I call anything, so it is very much simple. I just get my demat holdings. So it is simple. Just you breeze uh, dot get underscore demat underscore holdings. Okay, so all come this because I am very much familiar with brokers API. Okay, and strategies and getting the data, each and everything. So it is easy for me to call this stuff. Now what happens if I maybe try to call this, maybe some issues, minute issues will be there which I have to come over and I have to deal with these things. So let's run this first and see whether I'm getting my demat holdings or not. In between, we try to check okay, that we have not done any mistake. So all we have to follow from this. So I made it very much simple. They have given lot of stuff. So API secret and generate session which I'm talking about, and I've given the session token. So if I misspelled anything, it will definitely gonna give me error. Otherwise, this is the step which you need to follow. Okay, so this is how you can do. You can get the data, you can subscribe and all of the stuff, so definitely gonna do. So it is very much simple, just you have to say breeze and place an order. So you have seen you are in your kite connect or any of the brokers, so they have done the same. They just call the functions through any of the measured which they are calling from as in generate, so it will be easy to say. So these are the subscribe and unsubscribe method for WebSocket they have been given. So you can check from this. So this one page and scrolling will help to get you all the stuff. Okay. So if you want to get the customer details, so this is I want to try. Okay. So this is what I'm trying here, and if I just get with this stuff, so that will be great. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it is success and it is giving me what I'm looking for. And these are the stocks. So not that these are the stocks. I've been already took many of the stocks in under this Demat holdings, and I already sold so many other stuff. So this is the remaining which I can save. Okay, so I'll paste this code in my website. So do check it out. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.